Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line here is coming from. And overall, not a whole lot to update other than just the price doing some more continued consolidation. I realize, movements like today where the price makes a move up and then rolls back over may seem pretty nasty, but you got to keep things in context, right? That's today's price action, and think about that word today as in 1 day. When you look at multiple days, you can still see that sure, today's price action may be kind of annoying, but let's look at some previous annoying price action. Well, here is some annoying price action where it just went sideways. There was some annoying price action where it just went sideways and drifted lower. There was some more annoying sideways price action. You kind of notice what's going on with the quote-unquote annoying action. Well, each annoying price action keeps happening at higher and higher levels. And as long as that is the case, that's the name of the game. So yeah, you just want to see the price keep on getting annoying, but as long as the price is annoying at a higher level than the previous time it got annoying, then you know you're in an uptrend. Now that maybe I just made that way more complicated than what was needed. So if you want a very simplistic way to kind of gauge the health of the overall trend, then just use that purple line, which I talked about in yesterday's video. That is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So again, from a very straightforward perspective, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the overall trend is fully in the bull's favor. The one thing to keep an eye on, I'm not saying this is a guaranteed death or anything, but there is a couple lower highs here. So the bears are making slight progress, but at the same time, you could do something like that and then throw that down there and also call this a bull pennant pattern. So just because the highs are getting lower, yeah, just something that needs to be taken note of. But again, it's definitely by no means is that a guarantee that things are about to fall apart. But the bears did show a couple signs of strength via building that higher low. So we'll see how things unfold. But overall, there's no doubt about it, the overall trend is still very clearly in the bulls' favor. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.